What's going on, everybody? So I'm going to be doing a little review of this OEDRO Shackles. And I believe these are 3/4 inch. Yes, I think that does say 3/4. It's just being covered by this cover that'll prevent your thing from rusting out, even in case you use chains to pull it. And they sent this out to me to do the review, try them out, so you guys can see what they look like on a car that has a bumper for that. My truck unfortunately doesn't have one, but I do have this 30-foot strap that I use to pull out whenever I see somebody that needs help. So this is my old Shackle. It's pretty worn down. And I had two of them. I think somebody stole one of them, or I must have lost it somewhere pulling somebody out. But I think it's time for me to, get some new ones. And luckily they were kind enough to send these ones out to me. So I got two of them. Solid cast steel, and I believe these are powder coated. The bolts that. And they do come with some rubber gaskets right here, so when you put it on your bumper like they do here in this picture or here, it's not going to be rubbing metal to metal, and then you'll end up getting some corrosion. So that's good that they added that. So, and then same with this, your chain will grab onto this and it'll bite into this, and you won't get this, and it won't rust out on you. But the Shackles, man, they're real nice. They got some good weight to them, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to get some good use out of them. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this Shackles, I'll leave a link on the description, and you guys can check them out. So there you guys have it. If I do end up using them pretty soon, I'll definitely do an updated video on the Shackles being put to work.